Welcome, guys. Today we will guess Italian Brainrot but swapped edition. 16 questions, 10 seconds to find the answer. For each correct answer, you get 1 cookie. Let's get started. The first question is very, very easy.
Bananini Chimpanzini. Bananini Chimpanzini. Bananini
Wow, you guessed it. It's number 1.
Bananini Chimpanzini. Bananini Chimpanzini. Bananini.
Question number 2. Try to guess.
Bananalelli Capybarelli. Bananalelli Capybarelli. Banana.
It's number 15. You guessed it again.
Bananalelli Capybarelli. Bananalelli Capybarelli. Bananini Chimpanzini. Bananini Chimpanzini. Bananalelli Capybarelli. Bananalelli Capybarelli.
Question number 3. Can you guess?
Trullicina Trullimero. Trullicina Trullimero.
Yes, you guessed it. It's number 3.
Trullicina Trullimero. Trullicina Trullimero.
Question number 4. Let's go.
Tostarino Rhino. Tostarino Rhino. Tostarino Rhino.
Cool. This is number 11.
Tostarino Rhino. Tostarino Rhino. Tostarino Rhino.
Do you recognize this meme?
Macchina piccione. Macchina piccione. Macchina piccione.
You guessed it. It's number 12.
Macchina piccione. Macchina piccione. Macchina.
Question number 6. Let's go.
Ma din 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 dun. Din 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 dun. Ma din 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 dun.
Great. This is number 2.
Ma din 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 dun. Din 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 dun. Ma din din din.
Question number 7. Can you guess?
Orcala Orcalero. Orcala Orcalero. Orcala Orcalero.
Yes, this is number 16.
Orcala Orcalero. Orcala Orcalero. Orcala Orcalero.
Question 8. Can you handle it?
Cappuccina ballerina. Cappuccina ballerina. Cappuccina.
Cool. You guessed it. It's number 4.
Cappuccina ballerina. Cappuccina ballerina. Cappuccina.
Question number 9. Can you guess?
Ippopotamo il cacto. Ippopotamo il cacto. Ippopotamo il cacto.
Okay, this is really number 14.
Ippopotamo il cacto. Ippopotamo il cacto. Ippopotamo il cacto.
Question number 10. Can you guess?
Patapim brr brr. Patapim brr brr.
Yeah, that's number 5.
Patapim brr brr. Patapim brr brr.
Can you guess this character or not?
Celeste Giraffa. Celeste Giraffa. Celeste Giraffa.
Great. This is number 6.
Celeste Giraffa. Celeste Giraffa. Celeste Giraffe.
Question number 12.
Dolphinita Bananita. Dolphinita Bananita. Dolphinita Bananita.
You're right. It's number 13.
Dolphinita Bananita. Dolphinita Bananita. Dolphinita Bananita.
Question number 13. What is this meme?
Frutto drillo. Glorbo. Frutto drillo. Glorbo.
Right. This is number 7.
Frutto drillo. Glorbo. Frutto drillo. Glorbo.
Question number 14. Are you ready?
Bombondino svinino. Bombondino svinino. Bombondino svinino.
Yes, this is number 8.
Bombondino svinino. Bombondino svinino. Bombondino svinino.
Question number 15.
Watermeloni burbaloni. Watermeloni burbaloni. Watermeloni bur.
Great. This is number 9.
Watermeloni burbaloni. Watermeloni burbaloni. Watermeloni.
Question number 16. Just do it.
Bananucci elephantucci. Bananucci elephantucci. Bananucci.
Yes, this is number 10.
Bananucci elephantucci. Bananucci elephantucci. Bananucci.
Question number 17. Are you ready?
Ippopotamo il cacto. Ippopotamo il cacto.
Cool. You guessed it. It's number 4.
Ippopotamo il cacto. Ippopotamo il cacto.
Question number 18. Are you ready?
Madudungdung tak tuntung perkuntung dan garamararamaramandan.
Yes, you guessed it. It's number 3.
Madudungdung tak tuntung perkuntung dan garamararamaramandan.
Thanks for watching. Write in the comments how many cookies you have received. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.